Imagine relaxing after a long day, sitting on your patio, enjoying a mesmerizing sunset with a backdrop of the Catalina Mountains. Well, let me welcome you to our newest listing that combines the serenity of the mountains with the convenience that Oro Valley, Arizona has to offer for under $550,000. This beautifully maintained home, nestled on nearly an acre in the Shadow Mountain Estates, offers a split-bedroom floor plan with 3 bedrooms and 2 baths. And a large addition with a private entrance that could be used for an in-law suite, yoga studio, or private office. The kitchen and bathrooms offer updated cabinetry and granite counters. Many of the major upgrades have already been completed, ensuring peace of mind for years to come. This includes a recently installed roof, comprehensive home re-insulation for improved energy efficiency, the addition of a modern tankless water heater, and a full replacement of water, gas, and sewer lines. This property offers ample space and privacy, whether you're storing an RV or envisioning a future pool. Despite its peaceful setting, you're only minutes from vibrant shopping, dining, and local activities. The highly sought-after Canyon del Oro High School is nearby, along with a variety of locally owned dining gems such as Sace Kitchen, Bottega Michelangelo, and Village Bakehouse. For outdoor enthusiasts, the Tucson Loop and Catalina State Park offer perfect venues for cycling, running, mountain biking, and recreation, all easily accessible. Everything you need, from top-rated schools, exceptional dining, and outdoor activities, is just minutes from your doorstep. Contact us today at hello@elltucson.com or visit our website at ellgroup.com. We help busy people buy and sell real estate. Easier, simpler, better. Make sure to like and subscribe for our latest real estate updates.